Hey everybody, it's Rob Harold from MarineMax in Charleston. Today we are going over a 2026 Scout 195 Sportfish in a brand new color, Alpine Gray. Absolutely beautiful, light gray, powder coated T-top. Another really cool feature that's new right now is a color match Yamaha 150. This is the new Yamaha 150 with the steering integrated. Come on, let's get on board and check it out. Hey guys, now that we're on board the 195 Sportfish, this boat is equipped to hold 7 people. You're going to have rear cups. Everything's going to be plumbed on the boat, so it's not going to hold water. You have rod storage, rod holders in the back as well. You have storage underneath both port and starboard seats. Underneath your big chair, you have your aerated live well. Backrest actually comes out so you can rear fish as well and put rods in. This boat is equipped with the Yamaha digital instrumentation. It's got the new Dometic trim tab system, which is awesome because now you don't have to push buttons. You just rotate the dial where you want to be. You have a blank space for whichever Garmin or Simrad you want to come into, your Bluetooth Fusion. You can see you have T-bag storage up top with rocket launchers on the back. For a 19-foot boat, this boat is absolutely very well equipped. Coming to the bow, you have a removable cooler and a cooler seat as well. The backrest on this boat come in and out, so you can take this pad out and fish as well and have a full platform. You have a huge fish box underneath this. If you would like to see this boat in person, you can come down to MarineMax Charleston or visit us at MarineMaxCharleston.com or give us a call at 843-747-1889. This is Rob Harold. Y'all have a great day. Let's get on the water.